Really quick video regarding airsoft BBs. Let me tell you a little bit about three specific weights. 2.5s. They're fast, have somewhat decent accuracy at 40-50 meters, but they will not penetrate shrubbery, and they will have an issue with penetrating shrubbery. They're accurate. They give you a little bit more weight to penetrate shrubbery. They will let you reach out a little bit further than the 2.5s, and they're actually good of both worlds comparing to light and heavy BBs. Heavy weight, perfect for distance, accuracy, and penetrating somewhat some of the shrubbery. I choose these because I prefer the accuracy and distance, and I suggest you to use these as well. Have a nice one.